What's up, guys? So today we have this guy right here, and we are going to shoot it with this BB gun I got for Christmas. Got a Bucky Don't Play Games sticker, and so we're gonna blast it with this. So we're gonna zoom you in on it and see what it looks like. Hopefully it goes through it. If it doesn't, then that's sad. Zoom in on it. There it is. Hold on. Probably won't fire. I want to fire until. Okay, it's good. So, ready? Forgot something. Safety goggles. Just in case of a ricochet, which we already had just now. Okay, now let's go a little further. My laugh and this is just, I don't know. It hasn't fell over. I'm gonna try to skim the top of it. Get a fire. Oh, there we go. Blew off the top of it. That's cool, but hold on. We haven't really done any damage. So look at the top there. Try to blow that off. Sorry. Well, that's dead. You killed it. Let's go full auto one more time and then see the damage, what we did to it. Are you ready to die? Well, that's pretty neat. Okay. So, first thoughts about this? Well, you can see there's not much done to it. There's a couple dents right there. Blew the top off. Hold on. Show you a better look. That's gone. Oh, dang. Oh, still working. This still whipped cream. I'm gonna eat that. So hope you liked the video of me blowing up some whipped cream. So yeah. So if you liked it, just stay tuned for some more videos. Hopefully they'll be good, and see you in the next one. Peace.